And again, welcome to Pristine Collectiblez final 3-box break of 2015 Clear Vision Inner Box or Inner Case. We do have 2, 3, and 5 left over. BLD 18 scored 110 one of 10 the other day. That's a pretty good pull there. Hopefully, we can get something for you in the Broncos today. Again, list some other teams that you're looking for or players that you're looking for in the chat. But we'll go ahead and get started with this break. Um, no choosing today because we do have the final 3 boxes. After today, I'm probably going to take like maybe a week or 2 off, decide what else I want to break, and then start listing some more. But again, I thank everybody who's been in the break with me or with this case, all 3 weeks. And it's been a blast. We pulled some cool stuff. Wow, just dropped my knife here. Okay. Empty box. So again, if you're new to the break, I will open all the packs of the box first, and then we'll cover each card from the team, since there's really not that many in a box. Wow, nice. All right. Yes, it is the first of the 3. See something blue and shiny. That one looks nice, whatever it is. All right, and we got into some more color. So this looked like a good box here. We'll see what we pull. I'm gonna save the hits for last. All right, so here's my backer. First up, we got T.Y. Hilton, Colts. Jay Cutler, rookie revision, Broncos. See if it'll focus there. Dwayne Bowe for the Browns. Whoops. You got Brashad Perriman, rookie for the Ravens. DeAndre Hopkins for the Texans. Really didn't do much today. It's kind of saddened. Matthew Stafford, Lions. Set that one aside. We got Brandon Oliver for the Chargers. Lawrence Taylor, Giants. Backer. Got a rookie of Byron Jones for the Cowboys. Got C.J. Mosley for the Ravens. Vincent Jackson for the Bucks. Set that one aside. Brett Favre for the Falcons. got Aaron Rodgers for the Packers. Here's a green. Wow. Okay. Dante Fowler Jr. rookie, 5 of 5 for the Jags. So Jaguars got a 5 of 5. Pretty nice hit there. And you got Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Alright, so hits. This one, well, minor hits. Here is a blue Clear Vision Russell Wilson Super Bowl card, clear winners. I haven't seen one of these. So it's number 1, actually 61 of 99. Pretty nice card. This is the first I've seen of one of these two. Clear Vision Brett Favre for the pack. SG1, I don't know what that is. It's pretty nice, sweet. It's a pretty sweet looking card. And then the hit is for the Redskins. You got Pierre Garçon, number 37, 999. Pretty nice patch right there. So weird looking Favre card, Russell Wilson, and a 3 of 5 or a 5 of 5 rookie for the Jags. Not a bad start. Someone can tell me what that Favre card was. I'd like to know because I haven't seen that pulled. Empty box. I guess that took the place of the clarity that we usually get one per box on. Or, I don't know. There's some blue. More blue. All right. Box 2, here we go. Gronkowski for the Patriots. Got our Clear Vision Clarity, Teddy Bridgewater, Vikings. Had a pretty good game today. CJ Mosley for the Ravens. Just pulled him, or just last box. The Eagles get DeMarco Murray. Here is a blue Steve Smith Sr. for the Ravens, numbered 48 of 99. This looks like a Ravens break right here. Here's another Favre for the Falcons. Jill McCoy, Bucks. I'll give it we'll give it like 20-30 seconds because there's advertisements going on. Yeah, but looks like the Ravens have gotten a majority of the cards so far. Cardinals get John Brown. I'll go a little slower. Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Focus. Kevin Johnson, rookie for the Texans. Earl Thomas for the Seahawks. Alex Smith, Chiefs. Set that aside. Brandon Marshall, revision for the Broncos. Denard Robinson for the Jags. There is Phil card. You got Brett Hundley, rookie for the Packers. Drew Brees, rookie revision for the Chargers. You got Garrett Grayson, clear vision, rookie vision, rookie, number 87/99 for the Saints. Nice blue. And the hit from the box, again for the Ravens. You got rookie clear cloth of Buck Allen, number 29/99. Box 2 down. Last box. Again, if you join late, I'm going to take like a week or two break from doing breaks. I don't know what's the next product I will break. If you have any ideas or any wants, let me know. Send me a eBay message or whatever, and just let me know of a product that you want to see in a break, and whether you prefer player or team breaks, and we'll go from there. BLD, the Ravens got the hit. It was a Buck Allen rookie. It's right here. Oops. Wish my camera would focus there. Jeez. And testing this with my new ISP, Internet Service Provider, so I should be back on breakers on the next break as well, to prevent all these advertisements. But you can always view these videos on YouTube. Always leave one behind. Alright, last box, here we go. Gerald McCoy, Bucks. Camera needs to start focusing. Got Clarity, Teddy Bridgewater. Derek Carr, Raiders. Calvin Johnson, Lions. Max Williams, rookie, blue, 56/99, again for the Ravens. This was a Ravens break, everyone, so if you got the Ravens, you made out. Cardinals got Anquan Bolden, rookie revision. Alex Smith, Chiefs. There's the hit. Got Terrence West, Browns. Another Denard Robinson for the Jags. Jamison Crowder rookie for the Redskins. Roethlisberger for the Steelers. There's a Peyton Manning for the Broncos. No color, just regular. Still a good price off of that. Set that there. Marshall Faulk, Colts. Steve Smith Sr., Ravens. Filler. And 2 more left before we get to the hit. Maury Cooper, rookie. Raiders. And you got John Riggins, rookie revision for the Jets. Here's another Garrett Grayson. This is 66. This is actually 58 of 99 for the Saints. So back-to-back Graysons in blue. And the hit for the box is a Duke Johnson rookie clear cloth for the Browns, numbered 46 of 99. All right, that's the break, everyone. Again, this video will be loaded up to YouTube here shortly. Take a couple of weeks. If you think of a product that you want to see in a break, let me know. Let me know if you prefer player breaks or team breaks, and I'll do either one. But thanks everybody for joining all 3 breaks, and yeah, we'll have a nice couple of weeks, and we'll see everybody next time. Bye.